Inside Out tells the story of the life of Riley, an 11-year-old girl who is experiencing anxiety. After feeling comfortable with the condition and environment of her hometown, Riley must face anxiety because she has to move to San Francisco to follow her father who is moving for work. Automatically, Riley must adjust to a new atmosphere, both a new home, a new school, and a new friend. This situation of change is clearly not easy to achieve for a child her age. As a result, Riley had to feel a variety of emotion within herself. All feelings are mixed together: happy, angry, sad, fear, and disgust. This 5 emotion life in the headquarters centered on Riley's mind. The movie takes place about the outside world, where we follow 11-year-old Riley as she adjusts to life in a new city, and in the inside world of Riley's brain. What happened outside of it? What happened inside? When she sees or otherwise perceives something, her emotion reaches to that stimulus in the brain's controller, which is embodied as a loop with a central control panel under a white oval screen that allows her personified emotion to be seen through Riley's eyes at all times. The most important memories from Riley's entire life are kept in a special container in the center of the control room. These core memories fit personality islands that can be viewed from the back window of the control room. Personality island is covered with statues and images that represent the theme of that particular island: family, friends, silliness, hooky, and so on. Riley's personality is shaped by what is on this island. They represent her value, interests, and individuality. Any memories that aren't core are sent to long-term memory while Riley sleeps, where they are stored on tall stacks of purple-pink elliptical cells that resemble the fold of the human brain. The long-term memory feels like a maze. Initially dismissed as useless sadness, purpose is revealed late in the film in one of the film's most emotionally powerful scenes, when Bing Bong comes to terms with the fact that Riley is moving on from his memories as she grew up. Sadness is the only character who can comfort him. Inside Out thematically posits that sadness is the key to empathy. Recognizing sadness in ourselves and others allows us to be vulnerable and process the pain we feel in the fake situation. It's a poignant reminder that while sadness can sometimes feel like a useless emotion that gets in the way of our being, when experienced healthily, it's actually one of the most valuable emotions of all. All of this revelation help really grow, whether she realizes it or not. When really opens up to her parents at the end of the film, she expresses vulnerability. Chris is hugged and then breathes a sigh of relief as she feels safe in her parents' arms. This creates her first bittersweet memory and appears in her brain that is not just yellow or blue but both colors intertwined. And finally, the tragic fall of Football Island and its later colorful reconstruction leaves us with yet another disconstruction to ponder. Growing up often requires us to disconstruct and develop our personality in order to adapt to changing situations. But one of the most important and rewarding things we can do as we act is to hold on to those things that were so dear to us in the first place. Adult confidence, after all, is in part about wholeheartedly embracing the child within, and simply owning all the things that have always brought you joy. The moral message in the movie Inside Out are to hone emotional intelligence to be stable in all situations and not to deviate from moral and norms, to be optimist and never give up, the importance of happiness, and to be patient to hold back anger.